Hi everyone, in this video we'll assemble this wire shelf storage unit from the Home Depot. This unit is 48 inches wide, 18 inches deep, and 72 inches tall. We'll also install these 4-inch swivel casters with bumpers. First, open the box and check to see that all the parts are there. 6 shelves, 6 sets of tapered sleeves, 4 top poles, and 4 bottom poles. Since we're installing swivel casters, we'll remove the leveling feet. Install the bumpers with the smooth side face up. Use your body weight to press the bottom pole into the bumper. Thread on a swivel caster and then use a large slip joint pliers to tighten. Repeat for the other 3 casters. It is recommended that the locking casters be placed diagonally from each other. Lift the shelf on its side and slide 2 poles through the bottom holes. The tapered sleeves are paired together so that the top marking and arrows point up. The raised lines in the inner surface of the sleeves fit into the grooves in the poles. Snap the sleeves on the pole at the desired height and slide the shelf down onto the sleeves. Note that the bottom shelf should not be more than 6 inches from the floor. Repeat the process for the other 3 poles, making sure to place the sleeves at the same height. After all 4 poles are in place, lift and stand the unit upright. Using a rubber mallet, tap each shelf corner to lock the sleeves in place. You may also use a wood block and a metal hammer, or a towel and your fist. Now place the sleeves for your second shelf. In this case, we'll place it 16 inches above the bottom shelf. Please note that the grooves are spaced 1 inch apart and the double grooves are 5 inches apart. Install the sleeves on the other 3 poles and then slide another shelf in place. Repeat the process for the third shelf and then thread on the top half of the poles. Repeat the process for the fourth, fifth, and top shelves. Tap all shelf corners to lock in all the sleeves and the shelving unit is ready to use. Important: to prevent the unit from tipping over, secure the top shelf to a wall with the included mounting hardware. Here's another video you might be interested in.